everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a camera app. So, on your phone, whenever you want to take a photo, what app do you use? You use the camera app. So in this video, we will be making the camera app. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to screen 1 and keep the outline horizontal to be center, which I already did. Next, let's get a label and let's keep the font size to be 30. After that, let's keep the font to be bold and the text to be camera app. After that, let's go get a button. And we're going to change the button text to be take pic. After that, let's keep the font size to be 20 and the font to be bold. Then let's keep the background color to customize. So let me customize my background color. After that, let's get this image component, and let's keep the height to be fill parent and the width to be fill parent. Great, we're almost done designing. Finally, let's go to media and get this camera component. Now we are all finished with designing the app. Now it's time to code our app. So let's go to the block section and let's get this block called when button one click do. Then let's go to camera and get this block out called call camera1.takePicture. After that, let's go to camera 1 once again, and we're going to get this block out called when camera1.afterPicture do. Then let's go to image 1. We're going to get this block out. But one second, something went wrong. So we're not actually going to be using this block. We're actually going to be changing this bar into picture. Then let's connect it. After that, let's get this block called get image, which is from this block, this brown block. Now we are done doing the whole thing of our app. So we are done designing our app and we are done doing the code of this app. So let's test out our app and see if it works now. Our app. So the design of our app looks perfect. And now let's start testing out our app. So let's click on the take pic button. And then now let's take this picture of my drawing. And if you want to retry, just click on that. Then you can take a photo again. But if you like your photo, just click on OK. And you see it's upside down, but it still worked out. So our app works perfectly. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!